I feel great about getting my hair back. It's something I've wanted for a long time, but never thought it was really obtainable. So I decided to kind of dig deeper into it and try to find more answers. When I first started researching ways to get my hair back, I was going to go with the artist procedure. But the more research I did, for me, I just didn't think it was going to give me the coverage I wanted. So I decided to go with the transplant. From what I had researched, it was a little more affordable, and it was going to give me the coverage that I needed, because ultimately what I want is I want a thick head of hair, you know. So I decided that was going to be my best option. The first time I ever noticed, or it really sunk in, that I was losing my hair, I was going for a haircut, and it wasn't my normal barber, because I go to a barber shop, you know, same guy every time, but I needed a haircut. She said, "What do you want me to do for this area here where you're thinning?" And I was like complete shock. I was like, thinning? You know, so that was when I was 25. So that's when I first got that put into my head that I was losing my hair. And since then, it's been this ongoing thing in the back of your head, like, it's only gonna get worse. I'll be 35 this coming year. And so over the last 7 to 8 years is when I really started noticing not only the receding of the hairline, but also it's starting to get thinner and thinner and thinner. Having hair is important to me, not really in a sense of a confidence issue or anything like that. I just want to have the ability to cut it however I wanted to cut it, get dressed up. You know, you want to fix your hair, you know. I don't want to have to shave it. I want to be able to fix it. And I was actually a little apprehensive about coming in and doing it. You know, you're nervous, you don't know what to expect, you don't know what you're going to hear. I had fears, thinking like, they won't be able to do anything for me, my hair isn't good hair. So I had all these worries coming in, and it was great. So she walked us through. She told me, you know, the reason why I was losing my hair. She showed me up close photographs, so like I could see that I had good hair. You know, she would leave the room and let us talk about it, which is nice. Like, you know, you go to a car dealership and buy a car, you don't want to feel pressured into do it. And then I told my wife, I was like, I never felt pressured, ever, not one time. She let us make that decision, which made it nice. And of course, everybody we've dealt with here's been great.